Are you interested in getting started in home renovation and rehabs? Hi, I'm Bobby. Do you remember the days before you could just Google something? I've got a son that gives me a blank look when I talk of those times. But to me, it doesn't seem that long ago. That was the reality when I was diving into home renovations and rehabs as well. And I decided that this was what I wanted to do. I had no mentors, no place to turn for assistance. Some contractors were helpful, but many were not. Then I came across a game changer, a book called Housewives by Suzanne Brangham. I hope I'm pronouncing her name right. This book here. This book was like a home renovation Bible to me, packed with tips and tricks that are super relevant even today. From smart budgeting to choosing the right crew, it had everything I needed to know to navigate the sometimes choppy waters of home renovation and rehabs. And I say thank you to Suzanne. I did check online, and she is still out in California and doing a variety of different things. Now it's a whole new world. With the internet at our fingertips, it's like having a home renovation guru in your pocket 24/7. Let's break down what's different and how it's making things way easier and more fun. Information overload in a good way, most of the time. Nowadays, you can find a how to video or article for just about anything. Want to learn about laying tiles or fixing your roof? It's just a click away. Tech to the rescue. We've got apps and software that can help you design your space, manage your project timeline, keep your budget in check. It's like playing a video game, except you're winning a new bathroom and kitchen. Finding your tribe. Online communities and social media are gold mines for support, inspiration, and advice. There's something about sharing your reno woes and wins with strangers that just feels right. And what's our goal at Net Game Real Estate? It's to make stepping into the shoes of a general contractor not just doable for you, but downright enjoyable. Here's how we're here to help the best of the best. We sift through the internet as well as your local support and resources to bring you top notch resources, guides, contractors. No need to wade through the pages of search results. We've got the good stuff ready for you. Been there, done that. With years of experience under our belts, we're here to share all the insider tips and tricks, helping you avoid common pitfalls and make the most out of your project. Saving big bucks. By mastering the art of project management, we'll show you how to shave 20 to 30% off your costs. Imagine what you could do with those savings. Increase your scope of work or take that celebratory trip that you've been thinking about once the work is done. And best of all, you have someone by your side as you navigate the process to help, assist, and be there with you every step of the way so that you don't have to do it all by yourself like I did many moons ago. You can breathe. Gone are the days of feeling overwhelmed by the thought of renovating or building your dream home. With the internet as your guide and us by your side, you're set to tackle any project, saving a chunk of change and maybe even having a blast while doing it. We think that's going to be the result. From the wisdom of housewives to the latest in tech, we're here to make sure your home renovation, rehab, or build journey is a smashing success. So let's take that dream and make it a reality today.